Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing or importing the load bar and binding it to a visible container. Explain why. The library provides rendering and animation, so you avoid hand-coding visuals. Once done, add the required CSS and set initial value to 0% so the layout reserves space. Make sure to test in your browser and inspect the DOM to confirm the element mounts. This first step prevents layout shifts and gives you a stable base for dynamic updates during interactions. Next, configure how the load bar behaves and look so it matches your UX goals. Adjust speed and easing to make transitions feel responsive or deliberate. Explain why. Faster easing feels snappier for quick tasks, slower for long operations. Once done, bind the progress value to concrete events like XHR progress, file upload callbacks, or your app state updates. Make sure to apply CSS variables or theme options to set height, colors, and optional percentage labels so it integrates with your designs. To finish, ensure the load bar completes at 100% and then hides or collapses to signal task completion. This prevents abrupt jumps and improves perceived performance. Once done, implement throttling or smoothing when sources emit rapid updates so the bar animates smoothly. Make sure to expose callbacks for errors or cancellations so you can revert UI state or show messages. If something goes wrong, check console logs and verify event bindings. Most failures come from missing callbacks or incorrect selector targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.